Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information and several things that you have to know it. But before, let's know what is Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So to get started, all you have to do is click over get started and you write your email address and your password and you confirm it. Then you will get started and you will done with your inscription or your sign up. If you want to find your account, all you have to do is just click over login. Once you do that, you will find this login or sign up. So you have just to write your email. For example, I will write my email and you write your password, as you can see. Then you click over continue. So this is the home page, as you can see. You have your various things. So this is the home page, as you can see. So first of all, we have here your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to show here. First of all, we have add a profile photo. Then we have describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. Then we have here make your first public post. Let fans know what. So first of all, let's click over here to know how you can do that. You can just write your intro video here, for example, video URL here, and then we have the bio, the short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and why you are on Patreon. About this one, also we have here social. Help people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page. We will never post on your behalf. For example, we have followers in Instagram, but this followers is not in YouTube. So if they come here and saw your channel here of YouTube, for example, or Facebook, and he will join us. Then we have also, for example, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, or TikTok. Then we have you make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or upon its piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. You select a type here, text or video, audio, image, link, poll, or live stream. So for example, here I will go back here. Then we have publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then we have tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back to make your first public post. About this one, I will show you how you can do that. So you click over, for example, text. Then you'll find this page, create text posts. First of all, you add a title, for example, selling. Then this box is your blank Canva. Have fun. For example, here I will use specific one. Selling shoes Kyrie, for example. Kyrie Irving 7 or infinity. That's an example. Then you click over next and you'll find here selling. We have here 5 words. Who can access this post? You can choose who, paid members only or free members. So I will choose public. Then we have set a release date. You can just switch on allow comments on his post or no. For example, I will not. Then if you want, then we have notify members when this post goes live, and this is how it works. Then you have to publish it. So let's come back. That's about publish your page. Then we have here collections also. You have just to click over create collection. You add the title, description also, and you create a collection. Then we have here membership. Well, your paid membership. First we have income you can count on, earn acquiring income from your biggest fans. Start with chat you have, offer something you are already excited to share with your friends, plus some added perks. Then you have grow your creative businesses, get insights on your members, create exclusive member only chats and more. Then you click over get started. As you can see, then we have you choose what to offer. What benefits should I offer? We have bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member only voting. Then we have early access. Then you click over next. You have your tires and pricing. How many tires should I have? What price should I choose? So this is the answer here. And then you click over done. Then we have your new tire. Customize tire. You write your first name, your tire name I mean, then monthly price, for example, $15. Then here describe the benefits and the exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then you have your cover image, you add the cover image. Then we have tire benefits, let your members know what they can expect from this membership tire. Then you can just add benefits, for example, and we have a free tire. Allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. You can just click over here to know advanced tire settings. You can ask members for a shipping address in the checkout. Then we have limit the number of members who can join this tire. For example, I am famous. I will choose 1 million per person that will join this. For example, here we have also Discord access. Manage Discord access